Hello my beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Zainab. So today's tutorial is going to be on this super easy bomb fall makeup look, and I hope you all like it. So if this is your first time seeing me here, you are welcome. Please do consider subscribing, guys. Show your girl some love. It's free. And if you're an existing subscriber already, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. So guys, if you really want to see how I achieved this look, then please keep on watching. First, I'm going to be moisturizing my lips with this moisturizing lip gloss here from Zainab Beauty. So to prime my eyes, I'm going to be using this LA Girl Pro concealer in shade Warm Honey. I'll be applying that all over my eyes and blending it all out using a brush. So the eyeshadow I'll be using is the new nude eyeshadow palette from Makeup Obsession, which consists of neutral shades only. So I'm going in with this dark brown shade here in Silk. I'm just trying to make sure my concealer is well blended out. Now I'm patting in that shade all over my lid, working my way to the crease area, and after that I'm just going to blend the edges all out. So as you can see for yourself, this eye look is super simple, easy and quick to achieve. So now I'm going to be repeating the same process for the second eye. So now I'm just cleaning the face of fallout from the eyeshadow. To moisturize my face, I'm going to be using this Mismetics Moisture portion. So I'm just going to be applying that and spreading it all out. And the primer I'll be using is the Revolution Pro HYDRA Bright primer. I'm also going to be applying that all over my face and then spreading it all out. Okay guys, I need this right now so your girl can be able to continue with this tutorial. So the foundation I'll be using is the Hega & Esther matte foundation in the shade Carrot. So I'm just going to be applying that all over my face, and after that I'll be using a damp beauty sponge from Cosmic Brushes to blend everything all out. So to highlight my face, I'm using the same concealer I used as my eyeshadow primer, which is the LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade Warm Honey. I'm just applying that under my eyes, my chin, my forehead, my nose bridge, and then my mustache area. After that, as you can see, I'm just trying to blend everything all out using a brush. So I'm going back in with the same damp beauty sponge from Cosmic Brushes. I'm just trying to get some more blending and also to take off any excess products on my face. To set the highlighted areas out, I'll be using this Air Spoon Loose Face Powder. So to set my whole face, I'll be using this Forever Sheer Matte Compact Powder in the shade Sand 207. So I'm going to be using this sculpting bronzer in the shade ENROBE from Revolution Pro. I'm going to be using it to bronze and also warm up the face. So I'm just like going back in again to set the highlighted areas out using the same spoon loose face powder. So I'm using the same sculpting bronzer to contour and define the nose, and after that I will set the nose bridge. My blush, I'm going to be using this Pixie Beauty on the Glow blush in the shade Ruby. So I'm just using a brush to pack some and applying on the cheeks. Okay guys, can we just take a moment and appreciate this blush, cause I really love how it worked well on the skin. The mascara I'll be using is the Revolution Pro Faux Effect Lash Wide Eye Mascara in the shade Black. So for my lashes, I'll be picking one lash tie from the Wink Lashes Boss Chic collection. For my lower lash line, I'll be using the same dark shade I used earlier on my eyes from the Makeup Obsession eyeshadow palette. And for my waterline, I'll be using this dark kohl black eyeliner pencil in shade Shady, also from Makeup Obsession. And to set my makeup, I'll be using this NUDE Beauty Seal It Makeup Fixing Spray. So here I'm just trying to make the spray dry up on the skin. And the highlighter I'll be using is the Makeup Obsession Cosmic Crystals highlighter in the shade Fade. Okay guys, just take a look at that glow. So I'm also going to be applying the highlighter on my brow bone. To line my lips, I'll be using this Beauty Line by Didi lip liner in the shade Maroon. And the lipstick I'll be using is the Revolution Pro Satin Matte Lipstick in the shade Latte. So I'll be topping up the lipstick with this Revolution Pro Pout Bomb Plumping Lip Gloss in the shade Divine. So I'm just going back in to set the highlighted areas out, and also to just like set the whole face, just to make sure the whole makeup is well in place. So I'm also going ahead to apply the same Revolution Pro mascara on my lower lashes. Okay my loves, this is the finished and completed look. I really hope you all enjoyed watching this makeup tutorial. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. I'm obsessed with this look right here, and I guess you all are too. Also, do not forget to leave me a cool comments down below the comment section of your thoughts on this look. Let me know how you feel about this look. So guys, if you're yet to subscribe, do that. Click the notification bell so you don't miss any video of mine whenever I post. Show your girl some love guys. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Please do stay safe, and I'll definitely see you in my next video. Bye.